Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best dog dish is probably one of the most essential items for any pet owner, offering a convenient and hygienic way to feed your beloved canine companion. Choosing the right one can significantly impact your dog's eating habits, digestion, and overall well-being, making it a crucial decision for their health and happiness. This review will guide you through the top options available, ensuring your furry friend enjoys every mealtime. Number 5. PETKIT 304 Stainless Steel Elevated Cat and Dog Bowls. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, these bowls are durable, hygienic, and rust-free. They are dishwasher safe and completely harmless to your beloved pets, ensuring their safety and well-being. The 15-degree tilt reduces strain on your pet's neck and body while eating. This thoughtful design can help improve digestion and minimize instances of vomiting after meals. Designed for cats and small dogs, each bowl is wide and deep enough to hold ample food without overflowing. The generous opening prevents eating fatigue, ensuring a comfortable dining experience. Messy eaters rejoice. The raised base catches any stray food, keeping your floors clean and protected from spills. For non-slip rubber feet provide a secure grip during mealtimes. The bowls are easily removable by rotating them into the buckle and are completely dishwasher safe. You can also adjust the angle to a 15-degree tilt or a horizontal position for optimal feeding. What we like. This elevated bowl is crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and hygiene. Its 15-degree tilt is designed to reduce neck strain and aid digestion, making it ideal for pets prone to vomiting or those with sensitive stomachs. If your pet often struggles with digestion or you're looking for a more comfortable feeding position, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This dog bowl is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. The non-slip rubber base prevents the bowl from sliding around during feeding. It has a good capacity, holding up to 4 cups of food, which is perfect for my large dog. Number 4. AsFrost Stainless Steel No-Spill Pet Bowls. Are you struggling with food and water spills during your pet's mealtime? We have the perfect solution to keep your floors clean and your pets happy. Crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel, these bowls are built to last. The food-grade silicone mat ensures everything stays in place, preventing slips and spills. Available in 3 sizes, these bowls are suitable for small puppies to large breeds. Whether you have a cat or a dog, they're designed to accommodate all your furry friends. Cleanup is a breeze. Both the stainless steel bowls and the silicone mat are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after every meal. The anti-corrosion and heat-resistant material makes them ideal for all types of food, including hot meals. It's a healthy and safe choice for your beloved pets. This set provides a convenient all-in-one feeder, with separate bowls for food and water. It's the ultimate solution for messy eaters and a tidy home. What we like. This set offers a practical solution for messy eaters with its integrated no-spill silicone mat. Available in multiple sizes, it accommodates pets from small cats to large dogs, ensuring a clean feeding area. If you have a particularly enthusiastic eater or are tired of cleaning up food and water spills, this all-in-one feeder is a great option. What people say. The non-slip base is effective, preventing the bowl from sliding around during feeding. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean, which is great for hygiene. The wide opening makes it easy for my dog to eat without getting food stuck around the edges. Number 3. Nutrish Dish Dry Dog Food, Chicken Recipe. Real chicken is the primary ingredient in this food. It's a great source of protein, essential for maintaining lean muscle and healthy organs. We've included a tasty mix of dried chicken, peas, carrots, and apple pieces. These add flavor, texture, and valuable nutrients to their diet. This natural dog food is made without any added corn, wheat, soy, or gluten ingredients. It's a clean and healthy choice for your pet. It's packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and taurine. This ensures your dog receives complete and balanced nutrition with every meal. Feel good about your purchase. Every bag bought helps support animals in need through the Rachel Ray Foundation. This 11.5 pounds bag of premium dry dog food offers a delicious chicken and brown rice recipe. It's a meal your dog will love. What we like. This dog food features real chicken as the primary ingredient, providing high-quality protein for lean muscle mass. It's formulated without common fillers like corn, wheat, or soy, making it a good choice for dogs with sensitivities. If you prioritize natural ingredients and want to support a brand that gives back to animal welfare causes, this is a nutritious option. What people say. The non-slip base is a great feature. It keeps the bowl from sliding around during feeding time. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean, which is important for hygiene. The size is perfect for my medium-sized dog, holding just the right amount of food. Number 2. Gorilla Grip Dog Bowl Set with Silicone Mat. Tired of mealtime messes? Our innovative design features a strong silicone grip that keeps bowls securely in place, reducing sliding and movement. Enjoy a cleaner feeding area, even with the most enthusiastic eaters. Crafted from superior, rust-resistant 304 stainless steel, these bowls are built to last. They are food-grade and BPA-free, ensuring a safe and healthy dining experience for your beloved pet. Keep your floors pristine with our raised border design. This smart mode effectively catches food and water splashes, preventing messes from reaching your surrounding floors. It also shields against scratches from dragging. Cleanup is a breeze. Both the stainless steel bowls and the silicone mat are dishwasher safe. Plus, a convenient finger notch makes removing the bowls for cleaning quick and effortless. We offer a range of sizes to perfectly suit your pet's needs, from tiny kittens to large breeds. Find the ideal fit to ensure they get just the right amount of food and water every time. What we like. Designed with a strong silicone grip and a raised border, this set effectively contains messes and protects your floors. The durable 304 stainless steel bowls are rust-resistant and food-safe, ensuring longevity. If you're looking for a robust feeding station that minimizes mess and is easy to clean, especially for pets that tend to push their bowls around, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The non-slip base works great and keeps the bowl from sliding around. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean. The wide opening makes it easy for my dog to eat without getting food on their face. Number 1. Techphardo 1-gallon no-spill dog water bowl. Tired of wet floors and messy puddles? This innovative water bowl is designed to keep water exactly where it belongs. Its special cover lip also prevents digging, making it perfect for all breeds. With a large 1-gallon capacity, this bowl provides ample water for your furry friend all day long. It's designed to slow down drinking for those messy drinkers, preventing water waste. Our magic float disc automatically adjusts to maintain the perfect water level. This feature not only prevents splashing but also encourages slower, healthier drinking habits. The non-slip silicone base ensures this bowl remains steady on any surface. Say goodbye to wobbling and spills, whether you're at home or on the go. Crafted from 100% BPA-free material, this bowl is safe for your pet and easy to clean. Its simple design disassembles for hassle-free washing, and it's even dishwasher safe. What we like. This large-capacity water bowl is perfect for keeping your pet hydrated throughout the day, especially for large breeds or multi-pet households. Its anti-splash and slow drinking design helps prevent messes and promotes healthier hydration habits. If you have a messy drinker, a long-haired pet that gets water on its face, or simply want to ensure a clean water source, this is a highly functional solution. What people say. The non-slip base is a great feature. It keeps the bowl from sliding around during feeding time. The stainless steel material is durable and easy to clean, which is important for hygiene. The capacity of the bowl is perfect for my medium-sized dog, holding just the right amount of food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.